Garmin may have given us another major clue about its upcoming CIRQA wearable, and this time it comes from published trademark filings in both Canada and Europe. Unlike regulatory certifications that reveal hardware details, trademark filings are more about protecting names, technologies, and features. But every now and then, the wording inside these documents can hint at what a company is working on, and that's exactly what's happening here. The biggest talking point is a new reference to emotional stress sensing. Garmin already offers stress tracking across many of its smartwatches using heart rate variability, but this specific phrase hasn't previously been linked to CIRQA. Naturally, that has sparked speculation. Based on the wording, some believe Garmin could be preparing to use electrodermal activity, or EDA, also known as galvanic skin response, or GSR. This technology measures tiny changes in your skin's electrical conductance, which can be influenced by stress and emotional responses. Devices like the Pixel Watch have already used EDA for guided stress tracking, so it wouldn't be surprising to see Garmin exploring something similar. That said, it's important not to jump to conclusions. Trademark filings are intentionally broad and often cover features that may never make it into a final product, so while the wording is certainly interesting, it shouldn't be taken as confirmation that CIRQA will include dedicated EDA hardware. Still, it's another sign that Garmin is positioning CIRQA as more than just a basic fitness tracker. If emotional stress sensing does become part of the final product, it could provide users with more detailed insights into stress, recovery, and overall wellness throughout the day. In case you missed it, CIRQA is Garmin's rumored screen-free wearable built for all-day health and recovery tracking. Based on everything leaked so far, CIRQA is expected to offer 24/7 heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, recovery insights, stress tracking, HRV-based wellness metrics, and seamless integration with the Garmin Connect ecosystem. Previous certifications have also indicated Bluetooth connectivity only with no ANT+, GPS, or Wi-Fi. Leaks also suggest it will be available in two sizes, S/M and L/XL, and at launch, buyers may have a choice between black and French gray. Pricing is another big question. Retailer listings have pointed to a price of around $500, although those figures should be taken with a grain of salt until Garmin makes things official. It'll also be interesting to see whether Garmin offers existing Garmin Connect Plus subscribers a discount or other perks, especially now that hardware discounts have started appearing as a Connect Plus benefit. With another trademark now added to the growing list of leaks and regulatory filings, the picture around CIRQA is slowly becoming clearer. We'll keep an eye on future developments, and as soon as something new surfaces, you'll hear about it right here. Peace.